I was sent this sonic cleansing and microtherapy device as well as a green Rooibos gel-based cleanser. And let's do it. I put water on my face. It's kind of dripping down right now. This is fascinating. Okay, so cool. I've actually been using this cleanser just alone in the shower, and it's a really great cleanser. It smells strong, so if you like Rooibos tea, you're gonna love it. It has like a nice smell. It's very pleasant. Okay, so I'm just kind of putting that on my skin right now. And then let's use this device. So you have a couple options with it. We're gonna hit the on button here, and then it starts blinking, and it has this. You have, at the VR, you have different levels of vibration. So when we have it on, you can just go in like a circular motion, and it's just cleaning your skin really, really well. Nice and relaxing. And while it's doing that, it also has red light therapy. So what a good perk to cleanse and have red light therapy. Fits very easily in the palm of your hand. And I'm just kind of going around my face right now. Okay, then I'm gonna hit stop, take off this, which I can then wash. And now you can see it looks like this. Okay, so let's start it again. We're gonna turn it on, and this is gonna be the microcurrent. So there's levels. And it is strong. Okay, I'm gonna start at a lower level. I started at the top, and that kind of scared me. Okay, lowest level, I feel nothing. Next level, I definitely feel the little currents, and this is so good for firming your face. I love microcurrents with red light therapy. I'm gonna go ahead and do just one half of my face because I wanna see how lifted it gets. Okay, I'm ready to go as intense as possible. Let's do it. Look at the difference. Look how lean this side of my face looks compared to this side. You can just see that inflammation has completely gone down, and that's just in a couple of minutes. Wow. My skin feels very, very tight, and it never hurts. I know when I first started, I was like, whoa, I wasn't quite ready for the intensity, but it's painless. So totally painless. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side, but I'm so impressed at how much the inflammation has gone down. That's awesome. So I'm starting at that lowest level, and I'm ready to crank it. Let's take it up a notch. And top level. Okay, that's about the same amount of time on both sides. Look at this after. You even have a little bit of that glowy, cheeky redness, so some natural looking blush. My skin feels nice and tight. It says to follow up with a toner, so I'm not even sure if I need to wash this off. I kind of think I would, but maybe not. My skin feels amazing though. So good, and that puffiness is gone. It looks lifted. I'm so impressed. Comes with this cute little stand, so pop that back on there. And to charge it, it's down here at the bottom. Just open that up and charge it up. So simple. This is incredible. I'm gonna use this all the time. I love it.